How to enable and disable explicit content on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to enable and disable explicit content on Spotify. So now let's get started. First of all you need to do is open Spotify app on your mobile device. Now tap on the settings in the top right corner of your profile page. Now tap on content and display. Now here you can see the allow explicit content option. Toggle the allow explicit content option on or off depending on whether you want to enable or disable explicit songs. After that, your changes will automatically save when you toggle the switch on or off. So I hope you found this video helpful. This is how we enable or disable explicit content on Spotify. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.